Okay, look at this. We found a project.
Hi.
We exited the door and suddenly there's a project. Okay, tell us your name and a few sentences about your project, Fluto.
Hi, I'm Rebecca. Fluto is a life-size flute, and when you blow into your phone, the balls in the flutes go up. And
so can you? We don't have a phone right now to demonstrate.
Oh yes,
can you
I
demonstrate
can demonstrate.
And I just while we're waiting for you to demonstrate, I have to tell a little story, which is that in 2001, I took a class at ITP called Physical Computing, and I worked on a project with two other people, Stefan and Jimmy. And we didn't make a project nearly as beautiful as this, or with any of the music functionality, but we also tried to get balls to float, be it with fans.
Oh!
Yeah, so someone on the internet, resourceful people on the internet, so you can find any record of this project actually existed.
That's so funny,
Yes.
I really
I'll
have
have
no
to try to
idea.
dig it up, yeah? No? Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, so we're going to begin, and then we can click on these tubes, and they light up as you click on them. And then, if you talk into the microphone really loudly, or you blow, then they go up. And then after a few seconds, they go back down again, and they time out, and then you can try again.
And this project is a collaboration, there are four of you?
Yes, Meicheng, and Yu-Hao, and Gabe.
Awesome. And so people who are watching right now could do this?
Yes.
Oh wait, so go to fluto.us if you're watching this, and let's see.
On your phone.
On your phone. And let's see if we can see some rise.
It's live.
Let's see what happens.
There's going to be some lag and so forth.
Yeah.
Someone's in it. Someone's trying.
So I think it's just this half that's going.
Oh yeah, this pack is not working currently.
I got a flag record for this project. It's like this project is that project to the 10th power. Cool. Great job. Colors are beautiful. Okay, yeah.